Is any other way to go to Cincinnati, right?
You can't walk on the highway.
I'm sorry about that.
So you got any ID on you?
No, man.
You don't have any ID? Where you coming from?
Dayton.
You're coming from Dayton?
Yeah.
Where you been staying at?
Staying?
Yeah.
No, I just came and looking for a taxi company or something like that.
How'd you get down this far?
The Chinese bus.
Okay.
Somebody was supposed to bring me out there, but she didn't appear.
Okay, what's your name?
Carlos. The Spanish for Charles.
What's your last name?
Andrea.
How you spell it?
A-M-B-R-R-R.
2 L's? R?
E-L-A.
You have a social security number?
No.
You have anything on you that tells you who you are?
No, man.
What you got in your backpack?
Dirty clothes.
Alright, let's just set it down here. 7 King 11, code 6.
7 King 11.
7 King 11, I'll be southbound 75 at the 14 over 9. I'll be out with one subject that was walking. Keep your hands out of your pockets for me.
Sorry, sir.
Here, let's walk up to my cruiser real quick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have you place your hands on the back of my cruiser. I'm going to pat you down for officer safety.
Oh.
I'm going to pat you down for
Kill me now! Kill me! Kill me! Kill me! Kill me now!
7 King 11, shots fired, shots fired!
Kill me!
Sir, man, squad, I shot one, he has a knife!
I'm gonna kill you!
Sir, get down! Sir, get down! Sir, get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Stay down! Stay down! Stay down! Stay down! Stay down! Stay down! Drop the knife! Drop the f***ing knife! Drop the knife!
Kill me! Kill me! Kill me! Kill me! Kill me! Kill me! Kill me, man! Kill me! Kill me! Kill me!
Get down! Get down!
Kill me! Kill myself!
Get down!
No!
He's hit once!
Kill me!
Sir, get down!
Kill me!
Get on the ground! Watch your back, Lynn! Watch your back, Lynn!
Please!
Get
Begging you!
down! Get down!
I'm gonna kill somebody else!
Get down!
Get down on the ground!
You got a van behind you. Get down!
Kill me!
Get down!
25, I'm with you.
Kill me!
We got him at gunpoint. Subject at gunpoint.
Kill me!
Get down!
How many people are injured? How many people shot? Anybody shot?
Kill me! Go ahead, do it! Do it!
Get down!
Do it!
7 King 11, one shot. Subject shot only. Subject shot only in the abdomen. Still has a knife, not following any orders.
Kill me!
Get on the ground!
Just do it!
Get on the ground!
Do it! Do it!
Vehicle 90, have our units slow traffic down on the interstate to block that off in case there's more shots fired.
We don't want to kill you. Get down!
Units responding southbound 75 from 275.
Hey, we got no room! We got no room!
Just do it!
Don't want to kill you.
Just get down! We don't want to!
Vehicle 90, if you can get somebody to shut down northbound off, I don't know what direction the shots are.
Shoot him!
Kill me, man!
Watch your gun! Watch your gun!
Glendale, Milford.
Please!
Stop! Just stop! Just stop! No! Get on the ground! Just get down! Sir, please just get down!
Put the knife there!
Sir! Sir, please! Drop the knife!
Kill somebody else!
No, sir! Let us help you! Drop the knife! Let us help you.
Push the people out of here. Get this car out. Hear me, God.
Sir, drop the knife. Please drop the knife. Please drop the knife. Sir, please drop the knife. Don't do it. Drop the knife. Drop it.
Don't touch it or I'll hit you again, you understand me?
411, we got a northbound shutdown. Subject is in custody. Go ahead and start a squad this way.
Thanks, guys.
There is subject in custody. Continue squad to the scene.
He shot once in the abdomen.
711. 4791. 4791. Up to 7. You may want to put air care on standby.